Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance. The Ville is hype, no sweat. The song is Never Before Heard. The artist is NARI. The choreography is Robert and Leslie Brand. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the tutorial, the step-by-step instructions, watch till the end of this video and click right here. And let's get it. The Ville is baby. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Make sure you check out the tutorial, and I'll see you the next time.